Hi, I'm Micaela, and today we're going to dive into the 1939 Bugatti Atalante. The Atalante is not just a car, it's also the high point of the Bugatti contribution to the 20th century and the automotive industry. It's a significant piece of history, and moreover, it's mobile Art Deco personified. Born in 1881, Ettore Bugatti, the son of stonemason and artisan Giovanni Bugatti, began studying sculpture at the RAREST school in Milan. By the age of 16, he traded in the world of fine art for motorized vehicles and all things mechanical. And by 1909, had founded Ettore Bugatti Automobiles in Molsheim, a French region on the border with Germany. His namesake company produced cars whose governing principles prioritized speed, beauty, and economy of form. Just prior to moving his family from Cologne to Molsheim, Ettore's first son, Jean, was born. While all of Ettore's children shared his artistic talent, Jean, having come of age among the engineers and draftsmen at the Bugatti factory, demonstrated a particular aptitude for packaging the performance. In 1927, at the age of 19, Jean designed the Fiacre body for his sister Lydia's Type 40. He also proved to be a talented engineer, and by 1930, Jean had not only created the Profile body style that became precursor to the Bugatti Atlantic, but had also contributed to the development of the Bugatti 8-cylinder twin overhead camshaft engine. He was an innovator and freethinker who successfully incorporated the Art Deco movement style of the day, helping to define the flowing shapes and streamlined geometries that would soon characterize the marque, and assuring Jean a place among the world's premier coachwork designers. Amid the diminishing luxury automobile market brought on by the Great Depression in the 1930s, Jean sought to streamline production and improve cost efficiencies. To that end, he introduced the Type 57, featuring a versatile chassis and engine. This represents a watershed moment when Jean is taking over both management and design of Bugatti Automobile, establishing the vision for the company and its cars. The Type 57s would come in a variety of models, ranging from the renowned 57C Atalante to the Le Mans winning Type 57G tank to the 57C Atalante you see here next to me. Often ranked among the sportier of the Type 57 variants, the Atalante was named after Greek heroine Atalanta. It had a two-door coupe body similar to the iconic Atlantic, but without the Atlantic's riveted spine or split windshield. Of the 17 Bugatti Atalantes constructed, chassis number 57828 is one of just 3 Atalantes that were bodied by Swiss coach builder Gangloff in the longtail style with a rollback roof, and the only one of them to feature chrome trim on the sides of the body. Per Jean's desire, all Atalantes featured a two-tone French curve design, each with its own unique color combination. The C in the model stands for compresseur and refers to the engine being fitted with a supercharger, which provided additional horsepower and a more than 20-mile-per-hour boost to the car's top speed, pushing it to over 120 miles per hour. The emblem was created by none other than Jean's great-grandfather Carlo, a famed artist in the Art Nouveau movement. It is completed with a stylish EB trademark above the name, the initials of Ettore Bugatti. Not many questions about Bugatti's branding have been debated as often as the origin of the iconic radiator grille shape. Is its horseshoe shape the metal manifestation of Ettore's equine obsession? Or is it derived from the egg, a shape that Carlo used frequently in his lavish creations? In either case, this version, with the flattened bottom, has been a signature of every Bugatti since the Type 35 in the 1920s. This particular Atalante was delivered to its original owner on May 30th, 1939, at a cost of approximately $8,500. It's the equivalent of about $156,000 today. It's a substantial investment when compared to a 1932 Ford, which would have sold for less than $1,000, but on par with other luxury vehicles around the time, such as a Duesenberg or a Rolls-Royce. Nonetheless, at the time of its completion, the Atalante was regarded as one of the high points in both Bugatti design and manufacturing. Sadly, Jean Bugatti was killed in a crash in August of 1939 while piloting a Type 57G on the company grounds, a loss that reverberated deeply throughout his family and the entire Bugatti enterprise. Jean's death would also mark the beginning of years of decline for the company, culminating in its sale to Hispano Suiza in 1963. However, the legacy of performance and style that Jean helped define has been carried on throughout the 3 incarnations of the Bugatti automobile marque. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more deep dives, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification button. Leave a comment if there's a car you want us to feature. See you next time.